In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set and use and read your Rolex Sky Dweller. This particular model is the stainless steel version with a blue dial. Absolutely fantastic piece. And this one actually has some of the factory stickers still attached. This piece features the Soros command bezel system for changing the time and date, and is also an annual calendar. Let's have a closer look. So this piece tells you the date for which date and month you are in, so annual calendar. It shows you what month you're in with this, or the red window here pointing at the number of the month. So one would be the first month of in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, 9 September, 10 October, 11 November, and then finally 12 December. So also has a GMT function, 24-hour indicator here, and obviously your hour, minute, and center sweep, seconds hand. So let's change the date, and this is the ring command bezel here, so you rotate this for the varying functions to set the time. So we'll set the date to the 8th of August. Now to do so, you have to unscrew the crown, and it's currently in its neutral position, the crown, so you can wind it using a clockwise motion, but when you pull the crown out, it doesn't do anything. This is the safety position of the bezel, so you can't actually do anything. But when that's fully to the right, so the ring bezel has the bezel has been rotated fully clockwise. Now when we turn it one step anti-clockwise and pull the crown out, this allows us to move the date. Now this date, not only is it for the actual date itself, but also allows you to move the month indicator. So we're going to August. So let's carry on going all the way down to now we're in July, and now we're at the 3rd of August. So as I said, we're going to be setting it to the 8th of August. Now what I like to do is set it one day before. I always push down the crown back in before I again rotate one more time anti-clockwise, which will allow us to set the GMT function. Now a GMT function will be set as such, so the hour hand currently is showing 4 and 16, so we know it's 1600 hours or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. If we wanted to set, if we were going on holiday for instance, and we said we're going to a time zone which is 2 hours ahead, we know locally now it shows us 6 o'clock, but in our home time it's 4 o'clock. So that helps us show 2 time zones. Now one more anti-clockwise. Now that will allow us to set the time. Now the reason why I set it one day before is because I would like to just go through with the time and make sure everything changes nicely over to the 8th, and I know it's AM or PM. Obviously with a piece like this, because of the handy AM PM indicator there, it's very easy. But let's go back now to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it will say 10 past 4. Once that's done, give it a little bit of a wind, and we have to rotate the bezel again, always before we start screwing down the crown and then using it and wearing it. Just rotate fully to the right, push down the crown, and make sure that crown is screwed down tight. And that is how you set your Rolex Sky Dweller. Beautiful piece. And that concludes our video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe and click on the notification buttons. And any suggestions you have, please leave a comment below. Hope you've enjoyed and see you next time.